She must be in here somewhere. It's obscene. We need to get water in this place. Is there anyone of any authority around that can help this? Do you have any idea? How can we sort this out? There must be some way we can get this place properly liquidated. She's got to be moist. We don't want a dry mermaid. Do you know what happens to a well, of course you do. It's ridiculous. Look, hey, sir, there's a problem here. Surely we can have some water in this fine holding area. She'd be perfect. I can see her now, her little tail swishing and splashing as she cools around. Why, surely you can do something and get some water here right now.
We've had to take all the water out because we had the Olympic torch come through, and so we had to drain the water out there.
Olympic torch is fine and well, but this is something incredibly important. This creature, this beautiful thing, she's coming. She may already be right by here now. We need to keep her fresh.
Yeah.
Well, don't you understand, Steph? You understand the importance of it. It's something that we've got to do right away.
What do you need to keep fresh? I'm
well,
sorry.
Well, this lovely creature, this mermaid.
A mermaid?
Have you not heard of the mermaid?
No.
She's coming. She may already be here in Bristol, right in the centre. It's marvelous. It's the most fantastic. Surely.
If you're looking for a woman dressed as a mermaid, then there's some bars in the Oceana over there, and you might find one over there.
This is it. We found some water. This'll do the job. Come on now, fill it up. Ah, that's what we want. What? Oh no. No, but we need it wet. It's got to be wet. Oh, no. Excuse me, sir. Sir, good evening. Thank you for stopping and talking to me. You may have heard of me. I'm Professor Robert Chapman. I study sirenology. You've heard of it?
Sirenology?
Sirenology, sir.
What's that?
Oh, it's the study of the beautiful mer people. You know, mermen, mer women. Oh, they exist. Mermaids, sir, indeed. And they're coming here. There's one on her way right now, coming up the Bristol Channel, up into Bristol itself. She's on her way, sir. Oh, I do hope we get a glimpse. Won't it be so exciting to see her lovely flashing tail through the water? They are, sir. They are, sir. They are completely 100% genuine. And it's been my life's wish and hope that I see one in the very flesh. Oh, wouldn't that be so exciting, sir?
I'm sure that would be really exciting for you.
If you see one, will you get in touch with me, sir?
Yeah.
I've got a very good website, Professor Robert Chapman. Look me up, sir. Sirenology.
Okay.
You'll find me in the book.
I'll do that.
All right.
I'll do that.
That's... I bet you she's in here somewhere.
Hello.
Oh!
Sorry.
She's in here.
Yes.
The mermaid, I can smell it. Fish! I can smell fish!
It's an aquarium, so that's probably the fish smell.
Oh, you're no help! I need to know, have you seen the mermaid in the waters around Bristol?
No, I haven't. I'm terribly sorry.
Little dog, talk to me. Have you seen the mermaid? I hear she's coming. I feel it. Oh, the dog won't even speak to me. Oh, please.
Excuse me, I'm a little bit of hurry. I'm terribly sorry. I have to go.
There must be someone has seen her. There must be someone round here. Oh, Steph, another day over and still no sign of her. We've just got to keep our ears and our eyes open. She's got to be around here somewhere. I just know it. Oh, we'll find her. We'll find her if it's the last thing I do.